Welcome back to Google Food, guys. Today, steak pizza. Check it out.
You can't make steak pizza without delicious steak first, so let's do this. For today's cook, I'm going to be using bone-in ribeye. I'm seasoning them with salt and pepper and cooking them on the Kamado Joe, so let's do it. Now that our steaks are ready, it is time to make this pizza. This is Guga's pizza dough, and if you have not seen that video yet, make sure you check it out later on. It's on the card above and in the description down below. To go with our pizza, I'm also stir frying all these vegetables. Remember, exact amount in the description down below. Now that our dough has rested and doubled its size, it is time to make pizza. This is homemade garlic butter, and if you have not seen that video, make sure you check it out later on. Then throw in the beautiful steaks, the stirred fried vegetables, American cheese, baby Swiss, and mozzarella. Now it's ready to be baked. I am baking it at 750 degrees Fahrenheit on the Big Joe.
We got our pizza here ready to, what do you think, Angel?
Looks good.
You, Leo?
You did not disappoint.
All right, I think it looks fantastic. Enough talking, let's try this thing, huh? Let's do it. Go for it. Ooh. Look at the crust. That is a perfect crust, everybody. All right, enough talking. Let's do this. You ready for this? Mm-hmm. Ooh, this one I'm excited. Ready? Let's go.
All right. Good.
Oh, wow.
That is so amazing. The cheese is like so gooey.
Yep.
The steak is like amazing.
Wow. If I bring this to the office, they'll flip. Angel, what do you think? Give it a score.
Delicious.
Ninja copier right here. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy our pizza. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other suggestions, put in the comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is on the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.